Guys, if you have any Google gift card and you want to redeem it in Google Play Store, then this video is for you. First, you just need to open the Google Play Store. Now tap on your profile icon at the top right corner. Now from here you will find payments and subscriptions. Now from here you can just easily find this redeem code option. You can tap on redeem code button here and you will find your email. Make sure you're at the right email where you want to redeem your Google gift card. So you can just enter the gift code here that are associated with your gift card, or you can also scan the gift card if you have any physical gift card on your hand. So you can just tap on scan gift card and it will just open the camera, and you have to capture your code on that card in this section. So center that code here and then tap on scan here. It is the scan button, you have to tap on it after centering the code on this box. So that's how you can scan the code, or you can also manually enter the code. Then you can just tap on redeem and it will take a few seconds and your gift code will be redeemed and your reward will be sent to your Gmail account or your Google Play account. That's how you can do it. Hope you got this. If so, then give us a thumbs up. Make sure you have entered the code perfectly, and thanks for watching. Till next time.